click on and see, and it's connected to this movable sprite, which is this blue dot. So if I hit play on it, then I get my super fancy, awesome animation. And then in my servo camera group, I have the code that sends the data to ARC. And if we take a look there, I extract the children, the cube and the sprite. And the sprite is the one we care about. The cube is what we're projecting the camera image on, and the sprite is the one that we're gonna extract its location, and we're gonna move servos relative to the location. So if we go down here and take a look inside of our update, we can see that we're extracting from the sprite its position X and Y, and then we're assigning those to the variables D0 and D1 for the servo positions, and then we're sending those servo positions to ARC. And then every time we receive a new camera image, we create a material that's a texture, and then we assign that texture to the material. So if we bounce back into Unity here and we run it, you're gonna see it connect to ARC. There's the camera image, and you can see the animation moving his head around. That's kind of the best I can do, since I'm not a really great animator, but I imagine you'll be able to do some pretty cool stuff, and Mickey as well. And you can assign any children. So if you have like a full robot running that has tons of joints on the screen, then inside of your servo camera class from the project here, you can extract anything you want, not just positions, but you can take the rotation, you can take anything you need of the different joints, and then send those into ARC. And you see I'm using set cached servo position. That's because what'll happen is it'll set these servo positions and it'll cache them, and then they don't actually get sent until this is called. That way it doesn't try to send them each individually, it sends them all as one big chunk. So you just get a much smoother servo communication between the client and ARC. That's super cool. There we go.